Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Discord voice messages. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all you have to open Discord in your browser because this will not work in desktop app, mobile app or iPhone app. After opening Discord in your browser, you have to open the voice message. So this is the voice message that I want to download. I have opened it. Now you have to open inspect element. By pressing Ctrl Shift I from your keyboard, you can see inspect element opened. Now press Ctrl F from your keyboard and in the search bar type voice-message.ogg. Then you will see this highlighted link on the top right hand side. So right click on it and then click copy link address. After that open new tab, paste the link here and press enter from your keyboard. You can see voice message downloaded, and this is how you can download Discord voice messages.